Hello everyone, today I have this amazing grill. It's a portable grill. You can easily put it in your car and go to some camping, to the park to make some barbecue. It has wheels, you can easily transport it to some different places. Also, it will be good for your gardening or backyard. It has a special hole all residents will put in it, and you can have a clean grill. It's easy to clean, easy to use, easy to install. I highly recommend this. You will like it.